Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mechanic 757. Just a mechanic tip or anybody who works outside. Well, in Virginia for the last 2 days, it's been over 100 something degrees and I'd be drenched literally. So last year, I learned about these wick t-shirts that just wicks off the sweat, and they get them from Amazon. And this is the year after I bought them, and they're still working for me. They're going to be in the description, but I put on a regular t-shirt and I am so drenched it looked like I have a garden hose on me. When I wear these t-shirts with this sweat wick, this wicks the sweat right on off, I get sweaty, but I don't get as sweaty. These are very good t-shirts. Now mind you, when you first buy them, they smell terrible. And of course, you're going to have to throw them in the washing machine, as you should do anyway. But that is the chemicals. And I have not had any issues, and it's been over a year with these t-shirts, and I got plenty of them because it's air conditioning season in Virginia. I haven't had any issues with this. So if you cut grass, work outside, whatever the case may be, the link will be in the description for these t-shirts that wicks the sweat right off of you. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share, and please share your positive comments and opinions. Thank you.